Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 15/6/2022 and the time is 7:21. Everybody they are waiting for what Fed is going to come out with. But based on technical parameters, definitely it is bearish. Let it open wherever it wants to open tomorrow. You all know that expiry, the first 30 minutes high and low will do the magic. And apart from that, I've already told you that 6/6/2022, first 1 hour candle is a magical candle based on past data. Okay, so I'm going to show that to you in the later part of the video. So kindly watch it, but see how that date predicts this date, first 1 hour high and low, candle is going to be the magical candle, and it's an event day. See, that's why again and again I tell that market is nothing but the past events, and history repeats itself. And that date, the high which it made on 1 hour candle and the low which it made on 8th of March is decided that 16/6/2022, the first 1 hour candle will be the magical candle. Amazing it is, right? So anyway, I'll show that to you in the later part of the video. And today our 907 number, today you all know that morning itself I clearly said it is a sleeping day. And even though it is a sleeping day, we got the exact low and we got two minor timing, which literally rocked. But our 907 number today, it was a little bit of dilly-dally because nothing was moved. But our timing literally rocked. Okay, sure, we'll go and see all that. Okay, so now let's go to the WhatsApp. Okay, so this is our 907 number. Not worked. Maybe I'll show you that. 15,732 is the buy number, and the sell number is 15,699. 15,699. Okay, and this was the timing which I gave morning, but immediately I corrected it before the market opens. And I said, this is the time, 9:40 to 9:50. Use this candle. So, and we are concentrating on aggressive. Today it gave a good move, but unable to sustain above 1340. Tomorrow, definitely, if it holds and goes above 1340, we will again initiate the call. And there is one more counter which is in our radar is Indian Hotel. I will try to talk about Indian Hotel in the later part of the video. Kindly watch it. So now 9:40 to 9:50 is the candle, and the break or make candle, the make or break. What is it? Make or break. Just a minute. Yeah, make or break at 2:10 to 2:20 p.m. and I've given this timing at 12:15. 12:15, and we have another timing group. So this is our timing group where we capture a very small, tiny candles. So today, yeah, the first timing is 11:15 to 11:20. 11:15 to 11:20. And actually, this is the miracle number. Okay. And we are able to predict the exact one number in Nifty spot, which is 15,772, which I mentioned to my WhatsApp followers that follow that number. That will be the game changer number. But today it got restricted exactly at that number in Nifty spot and started coming down. So if you go here, maybe if I open my WhatsApp, people, yeah, this was the number 15,772. So it eats the prime. So Nifty, spot resistance is 15,772, break above 15,836 on the cards. Okay, so now we are going to see all that in the graph. See how beautiful it is. So now let's go to the graph. Okay, so this was the buy and sell number of today, buy above this number, 907 number, and this is our sell number. Today it was a whipsaw. Anyway, I'm removing these two lines. But see how we got the bottom at the morning. Exactly 9:45 to 9:50 candle, we got the bottom. Right? Went up, came down, and this was the minor 10 points candle. After this, see how bump up happened. This was a special time. This was the special time. Okay. So from there, see the move and make or break candle is here. And after this, it was a clear break. Clear break. See how beautifully this timing works. Even in this choppy market, we are able to find this bottom before the market opens. And this timing also I will give before the market opens. Now my subscribers knows how to predict this candle. So I already taught them how to get this candle. So now they are playing with 10 rupees stop loss for 100 rupees gain. Yesterday it was, for 10 points stop loss, it gave 100 points. So these are 1:10 candle. These are 1:10 candle, but today it does not move up, but still it has given a decent move from here. From 16,709, it went to 16,773. And my number is very clear, is 15,772. See how bang on it is. This was the resistance. See how many times it went and touched and came down all the way. So these are the timing works today, and it was awesome day. But there is no movement, because we all know that tomorrow is a big day, so obviously there won't be any movement. But there are a lot of even 15,200 puts claimed up from 3.5 rupees to 12 rupees on the closing. So seriously, no idea what's going to happen, but simply 30 minutes high and low will do the magic. And tomorrow's first 9:15 to 10:15 candle will do the magic, and this high and low of that candle can be utilized even for a year. Okay, so now if you go here, so this was the candle which we predicted yesterday. Okay, this high 12:15 candle and 2:15 candle, 2 hour candle, this we mentioned the weekly forecast itself. Okay, so it is trading only within that. It is trading only within this candle high and this candle low. Okay, so see how beautifully, and even this candle was, predicted based on the past movement. Okay, so now whatever candle which is going to come here or here or here or wherever, that 1 hour candle is going to do the magic. So I will show you how we got this candle. Just watch this. So now if you go to screen share, so this is our one magic vibration numbers. Okay, and it will give the exact candle on which candle you need to see based on the past projections. Okay, so now this is one which is 16/6/2022, 9:15 candle is the miracle candle. Okay, so now if I change the date here, automatically everything will change. If I say let's say 10, then everything will change. So all these dates will change automatically. So now this was 8/3. Okay, so now 18th one we made the top, temporary top, and 18/3 we made the temporary bottom, 2022. So based on this candle and whichever candle it happened, we are able to design. Sorry, this 8/3, not 18/3. Okay, so now based on this, on 18/1 it made the top, and 18/3 2022 or 12:15 candle it made the bottom. You can go back and check in Nifty spot. So based on these two candles, it is predicting that 16/6/2022 9:15 candle will be the game changer candle. So tomorrow, if that happens, so we will mark the high and low of this candle. So this is how we are predicting all these kind of stuff. This will work even in stocks. So any stock for that matter, we can able to predict that. Even gold, USD INR, ETH, everything we can predict based on this past data, and it gives the candle, which candle is going to do what. And see, I think I have forgotten this. It says HDFC Bank 3/6/2022 candle is the miracle candle. 3/6/2022, which happened a few days back. Maybe we can go and check this. 3/6, just a minute, I'll mark it. Let's see how HDFC Bank worked on this at 9:15 candle, 3/6/2022. Okay, chalo. So this is how we got that 16/6. Now let's go to HDFC Bank. Okay, and today we exactly went short here, and I've initiated the short here in Nifty, because it has exactly came down. It gave a genuine sell, went up, This was a blip, so we are not able to catch this, but here we sold and we are holding our short position, and we are holding our bank nifty call, which we sold at 35,000. So more or less, but it's a monthly call, so the premium got eroded. So we initiated the short position here today. Let's see how the market opens. Based on the system, we need to be in short, so we are in short. We are not care about what is going to happen tomorrow. So now let's go to HDFC Bank. Okay, so 1 hour candle, and which is the 1 hour candle? Just a minute, which is 3/6/2022, 3/6/2022. Okay, and 9:15 candle. See how beautifully it captured the top. How beautifully it captured the top. And this is based on past data. Okay, this is based on past data. See how market respects these kind of thing, which we are predicting. Anyway, I missed it actually, but see how we predicted this, and that is based on actually the data which we took long before. So if you go to HDFC here, okay, so this is based on just a minute, I'll show you. Just a minute, I'll show you. Okay, so this is based on 10/10/2021 9:15 candle where it made the high, and 20/12/2021 where it made the low. So based on these two candle and the hourly candle in which it made the top and bottom, we are able to get this number, get this date as well as the time. Right. So now if I change this, instead of 2021, okay, so let's keep if I change this to something, let's say even 10/12, everything will change. See how beautiful it is, and it is predicting the top. If I change, then I will get that data. So beautiful it is. Okay, sure. These are the 1 number magic, and that's why it's called it as 1 hour magic candle. Okay, so that's how it is. Let's see what's going to happen. And this 1 hour candle of 3/6/2022 of HDFC Bank, that 1 hour candle is the magical candle. You can use that, simply put a line in that, and you can use it for the whole year. You can use it for the whole year, and it will respect that, that candle higher. Okay, in case even if it goes up, that will be the small stop loss which you can use it. Believe me, it won't hit. It won't hit. Okay. So now let's go to the PPT for tomorrow. Then I need to show you Indian Hotel. Okay, so nothing much to add. So I have not changed anything. So the only thing here is today it made the inside bar pattern in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So obviously you know how to trade the inside bar pattern. Break above the yesterday's high, simply buy with the stop loss of yesterday's low, or break below today's low, simply go short with the stop loss of yesterday's high. So this is inside bar pattern in Bank Nifty and Nifty. And Nifty closed again today below 19th low, but Bank Nifty is holding the 19th low even today. Okay, the only good thing is it is holding the weekly bearish numbers, which I mentioned yesterday also. The same thing is happening. And this is the hourly candle which I told you, and this I covered this on the weekly forecast also. Kindly go back and see. And this candle is valid for the whole year. It is not even whole year. You can use this candle even for 10 years from here. Okay, so weekly expiry, first 30 minutes high and low, will do the magic. Will do the magic. Okay, and my followers know how to trade that. Okay, so now D day for Nifty Auto is tomorrow, 16th June. This I have covered last week itself. D day for Nifty Auto. Okay, I've already mentioned that Nifty Auto is already topped out, but I clearly mentioned we need to wait for 16th June candle to see from where it is going. In case if it breaks 16th high, you can simply concentrate on autos. So it is at a crucial stage. Let's watch 16th June high and low in Nifty Auto. Okay, so there is no counters for TCD, and I've already told you mark the high and low of Adani of yesterday, and I've clearly mentioned why Adani should be in focus in my yesterday's video. Kindly go back and watch. That is also a miracle, day. Okay, so this is for tomorrow. I have not changed anything. A little bit of changes because nothing happened today. And this is for futures, bank nifty, all that, you'll work, believe me, even whatever happens in Fed, these numbers will be respected. This number will be respected. Okay. So that's why wherever it closes, I'll give the number there only. I don't know whether Nifty is going to open 300 points higher or 500 points lower. All that I don't know. My number stands. That's all. Okay. So now again, all the four bearish. Again, all the four bearish. Right. So as of now, nothing is happening. But only one thing is 14th June is holding. And yesterday we had a webinar and we are discussing about June month, because in May month, we predicted that, minimum 6.2% correction in May. And you all know how that number came and touched that, exact number in the month of May. And based on past prediction, which we discussed yesterday in the webinar, it says, okay, the past prediction says the June candle will be 6.5% higher. 6.5% higher. But we are already down by 5%, 5.5% or something like that. So we are in discussion yesterday. So in case if that has to be true, then Nifty has to move 12% from here, because it's already down by 6%, and it has to recoup this 6% plus 6%. So roughly around 1.36% has to go within the next 10 trading session or 15 trading session. But it is possible. It is possible if it holds 14th June. Let's watch, keeping the fingers crossed. Even if it opens higher tomorrow also, no problem. First 30 minutes high and low, let's do the magic. Let it be cool for next 2-3 days. Maybe on Sunday we will have a clear idea. From there, in case if it is bullish, we can definitely create some bullish position from Monday. So that's how it is. Watch out, 12% up move is still possible. Keeping my fingers crossed. Okay, so that's all. Nothing more to talk. Let's go to Indian Hotel. Why I want to talk about Indian Hotel. Then I'll finish this video. Okay, let's go to Indian Hotel. Okay, so this is 1 day. And this is for 2 signals. Okay, so if I close all this, so Indian Hotel gave the buy here at 130. Okay, gave a buy here also, but anyway, leave that. We will start from here. So it gave a buy at 130. Until now there is no sell, even though a lot of volatility, it has not given a sell. Even if you take from here to here, it was a decent fall of 30%. But still my system, because that's why I say this is a trending system. This is a trending system. You need to simply sit on it till it gives a sell, till it gives a sell. So it came down 30% also, but till it held and went up, came down, exactly touched the blue, went up, again came down, touched the blue, went up, again came, touched the blue, went up. Again yesterday, it took the exact support at the red. And today it was up by 2.5%. So this counter in our radar, and it has given a 15 minutes buy today, 15 minutes genuine buy today. So this counter is in our radar. And if you go to numbers, this number is the one magic number, 224, about 224. According to us, it is bullish. So where it will go, once it crosses 224, it will straight away go and touch this number, which is 234. Any close about 234, it is extremely bullish. So this is what I want to share with you. That's all. Let's keep the fingers crossed. Let's see what's going to happen tonight. I don't know. Many people will be watching SGX and all that. We created a chart and we don't watch all this. Thanks a lot for seeing this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. Thanks a lot. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07. Bye.